Tracking time for grant-funded or non-profit work is crucial for staying compliant with funding requirements and ensuring transparency. In this video, we'll break down the essentials of how to track time efficiently for these specific projects. First, let's talk about the importance of accuracy. Tracking time ensures that you can properly allocate hours to the correct project or grant, which is crucial for reporting back to your funders. You need to document how much time is spent on grant-related tasks versus administrative or other activities. Misallocation can lead to disallowed costs or even a loss of funding. Now let's get into the practical side of things. To track time effectively, the first step is deciding whether to use manual methods like spreadsheets or a time tracking software. While spreadsheets are a basic option, they come with the risk of human error and can be time-consuming. For a more streamlined and accurate solution, I highly recommend using a time tracking software. You've probably heard of popular options like Toggl, Harvest, or Clockify, but let me tell you, none of them are perfect for grant-funded or non-profit work. They don't necessarily offer features that cater specifically to funder compliance or handling multiple funding streams at once. This is why I'll be showing you a better, more tailored solution today. It's a software that is designed to help nonprofits and grant-funded projects easily track and allocate their time. So, how does it work? The key feature here is the ability to track time against different projects or funding sources. This software lets you create specific tasks and assign them to particular grants. You can break down your time into categories like administration, program development, or outreach, making it easy to report where every hour is spent. This is invaluable when it comes time to submit reports or apply for additional funding. Another benefit is automatic reporting. Instead of spending hours generating time reports manually, the software can do it for you, saving you a ton of time. You can generate detailed breakdowns for each project or grant, showing exactly how much time each team member has worked and how it aligns with the budget. It's a huge time saver, especially when you're working on multiple projects at once. The software we'll be using today also comes with built-in integration with your accounting tools, so you don't have to worry about double data entry. It simplifies the entire process and ensures your time tracking is synced with your financial records. If you want to follow along with this exact software, I've got an exclusive free trial for you in the description below. It's only available to viewers of my channel, so make sure you take advantage of it. Remember, the key takeaway from today is that tracking time for grant-funded or non-profit work is all about accuracy and efficiency. By using the right software, you can save time, stay compliant, and ensure that every hour spent aligns with the funding requirements. Quick recap. We talked about the importance of accurate time tracking, how software can help streamline the process, and why choosing the right tool is critical. Don't forget, the free trial link for the software we use today is in the description, and I highly recommend you give it a try. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.